Okay, hi guys. Today we're playing with my best friend Ethan, whatever you want to call him. We're playing Farm Life Simulator 4. This video ain't sponsored by anything. I guess just subscribe to my channel.
Yo.
My username is AndrewT87 if y'all want to play with me. And I hope y'all enjoy. I just missed that jump. I'm terrible at this.
What the?
Oh, I'm at the king of the world.
Oh my. Oh. Yo, I can't believe. Yo, I have a YouTube channel, and I make YouTube videos.
You do?
My mom doesn't know. My mom doesn't.
Don't tell her. She's gonna make you not do it. Really hope she ain't watching my videos.
Nah. Welcome back to Noah's Infinity. What are you making a YouTube?
Okay, I have $18. Do you want it? Hey, you steal my truck! You can buy your own truck. Get out of my truck.
Okay. Wait, you're actually making.
Do you want $18?
Sure.
Okay, go harvest my plants and plant them back. And just drop them off at my house, the red house. And I'll drop the money at your house once you finish. You know, mine's the blue house. Mine's the blue house by your house. It's kind of like a mobile home.
Okay. Yo, I'm actually I have 8 subscribers on my YouTube.
I have 5.
Oh man. Yo, you want to subscribe? What the? Okay, so.
You gonna place back my corn? What are you doing? Oh yeah, sorry. I forgot. Let me park my truck by my house. Wait, what? There's something in here. There's trash in this bush.
So you're actually making a YouTube video?
What?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So you're actually making.
Yeah.
Okay, I dropped all the.
You're planting them back now, right? Are you changing my color?
Should I break his house, guys? Oh dang, I can't break. Yo, I'm just mean.
That is a lot of corn for one. Get out of my truck! I'm calling the cops.
What?
Go plant back the corn.
I grabbed one of your chickens.
I really don't care unless it's the middle child.
Wait.
What is it? Is it the middle child?
No, it isn't.
Okay. Go plant back the corn now.
What if I kill you?
Don't make me whack you with my corn.
Man, I can't believe my friend.
Is that the only skin you have, or do you have like a farmer skin?
I don't think I have a farmer skin, but my sister has like a one.
Wait, does your sister have V-Bucks?
500.
That's not enough.
Yo, guys, I love Metallica. Are you doing like a live stream?
No, I gotta have like 50 subs for that.
Wait, who said we were friends?
Who said we were friends first? You or me?
Say something.
Who said we were friends first?
You probably.
Why are you on my roof? Gonna drop off your money. On your roof?
Thank you. Oh my. Okay, fine. Yo, I got some V-Bucks.
How much V-Bucks?
I'm just kidding. I have to convince my mom or dad to let Emily have some V-Bucks. I'm bush camping.
What?
I have to convince my mom or dad. Yo, you want me to see me drop? Very Gucci.
Hey, you want some more money?
Yeah.
Okay, you know that windmill or whatever, that grain tower over there? Go collect all the corn from that and bring it into my house.
Yo, that's all the corn I can get.
No, just come back. I don't care how many times it takes. Why did it say you joined the party? Weren't you already in my party?
Okay.
Jeez, there's so much corn over here. If you could put them in your inventory and drop them like this in stacks, that would be much appreciated. Let me pick up the corn. Could you go try to convince your mom?
Yo, this is insane.
Because a farmer skin would be really nice. I have so much corn in this pile, you don't even know. Those chickies are going to be happy for days.
Oh my.
You got the corn?
It's glitching. What? Hello?
Hello?
You there?
Yeah?
Hello?
Hello?
Okay. What the? Wha-
Where are you?
Not telling you.
Hold on, it's connecting. Cause like literally,
It
It kicked you.
got me out. You see?
It kicked you.
Wait, what?
It kicked you if you're not in the game.
I thought you said you could.
No, it kicked you.
Oh my gosh.
Time to go feed the chickens.
oh my gosh, Fortnite Connect.
I wish we could play like Minecraft together, but wait, you'd have to wait. No, I can't. I would have to have like my other tablet. I have another tablet, but it's like broken. But it still works though.
Is it less glitchy than the one you have?
Probably not. But I would have to add you on Discord there. Ugh.
You could make it the same account, you know.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't have to add me. What?
I'm gonna do this skin.
What do you mean you're gonna get this skin?
Well, not get, but because she already has this.
That's not a really cool skin. Yo, I'm getting the money. Whenever you join back, I got some more money, so you can farm some more.
Okay, yay. Are you the creator of this world?
No.
Oh, what? How come you have like the money and stuff?
What do you mean?
How come like you have like the money?
Because
And, like,
I'm
you
selling
do-
my corn. Do you not know where the shop is? It has a
Hopefully
big
it is.
coin above it. But if you steal my corn, I will go buy a shotgun and shotgun you in the face.
Hey, Noah.
Yes.
I'm gonna help my mom. I'm gonna help my mom. Do a cake.
I'll be back about in 5 minutes.
Bruh. You taking so long, Ethan? My goal for this video is to get $1,000. And forcing people to work for it, well, paying people to work for you, asking nicely for people to be kidnapped to work for you is really easy to get money. And you can pay them like $20 every field thing. Ethan, why are you not talking? Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Hi, you're glitching out.
Hi.
Hi.
No, it was because I was off a waffle. Cause my dad.
I got
So,
some
I'm
more
like-
money, so get to work.
What?
I got more money, so get to work. Remember to give me all the corn.
Hello. Treating me like a slave.
Hi.
Hello?
Remember to give me all the corn.
Yes. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
I'll leave the $20 in your house. Actually, I'm leaving it on your roof again.
Can you stop making me do hard work? My finger's tired, okay?
I'm paying you. If you run, you can get up there easily.
I never give you the corn.
Okay, you're getting kicked.
What? Okay, I'm giving you the corn.
I'm behind you. Give it. Okay, you're getting kicked.
I'm giving you the gosh dang corn.
Hey, can you move your camera? Can you move your tablet a little? I need to see your inventory. Okay. Hey! Pay me $20 in recovery. I will go grab that shotgun.
Oh, here's the one.
You tried to kill it. Why is there chicken meat outside and 2 chickens? Poor Mr. Betsy. Hey, come over to my house. I'm having dinner. Okay? Come over to my house. I'm having dinner. Do you want dinner?
I know.
Bye.
Wait, what?
Do you want dinner?
It was glitching out.
There's your
Sure.
dinner.
Yeah.
Here's oh.
Yes,
Yummy.
good tasting. That's
Wait, it was Betsy?
none.
Yes, she's gone. She was such a Karen. Throw away your trash in this trash bin. Well, it's not really
What?
a trash bin, but it's a trash pile. There's my trash. Throw your trash! AKA the chicken, because you can't actually eat it. You gonna throw away your trash?
Hold on.
Okay. In a minute. Okay. Go to your house because you got to sleep out the night.
Okay, I did it.
Going to park my truck in the garage. You want to come? Get in the seat. Get in the actual seat. Get out of the way. I have 2 chickens over here. If you could move them, they're just eating all the corn. If you could move them back in the pen. Actually, I don't even care if you kill them. No, actually, move them back in the pen before you kill them, though. If you do anything. You can't kill them here or they'll just respawn. Pick it up and pick the other one up and bring it to the pen. Okay, I'll pick the other one up. Gotta find it first.
I forgot that you can't run when you're picking up.
Yeah, I hate that you can't do that, but
Yeah, because it would be way more fast. But at least you can, like, glide whenever you cook.
oh my gosh. Only
Yeah, I'm
kill
getting
2
that.
chickens. Or you will be arrested.
Wait, what?
Are you killing another chicken? I will go grab that shotgun.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'm gonna kill all your chickens. Plus, they respawn anyway.
I do not care. I'm going to grab the shotgun. Authorities can't help even if I kill you. Frick, it's $999. Don't have that type of money. You are lucky.
And where's the fishing rod?
Yo! 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 Uh-oh.
Hello.
That was expensive. Now it's at the bottom of the ocean.
Are you trying to shoot me?
No. You don't have a shotgun.
Did you try and shoot me? Come here. Come here. No, come here. Come here. Try and shoot me, okay? Just shoot.
I don't have the shotgun. I don't have $999.
I can revive? Or is it like
In the
V-Bucks
game.
or what?
No, it's in-game money. The money I've been giving you.
I have that type.
I need to buy another mill. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go sell my eggs in a second. I have over 100. Once I sell all my eggs, I'll have over 100 eggs.
Yo, I wish Hunter joined the chat.
Yeah, but I have to invite him or he can't.
Wait, do you have his username?
No.
Oh.
Chicken, how did you frickin' escape? Stop! Why are you escaping? How and why? Go get your the stuff. Okay. I have so much money.
Oh no! Wait, how much?
Get out of my truck! Wait, did you buy a truck? Wait, you didn't buy a truck. You don't have the money for it. Give me my truck back. Give me my truck. Give me.
Get me out.
Okay, you're getting kicked. Bruh, get out. Hello? 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 Ethan!
Hi.
Bro, it took you 10 years for you to answer me.
Kill one of your chickens now.
What child is it? Is it the middle child?
No, it's the youngest.
Yes! You can have them for all I care.
Cycle's the middle.
Yes, you can have them for all I care.
Wait, you don't care if I have the middle?
What? No,
What
I don't
about
care
the
if you have the. My oldest, you have to do the chores for me. I'm gonna kill you. Where did he go?
Can I even die?
I don't know. Actually, yeah, I'm pretty sure you can.
Try to kill me. Well, how much money do you have?
$607.
And you can buy a shotgun.
No, I can't. I need $999 to buy a shotgun.
I found a pig. Should I reset all our progress?
If you do, we're not friends anymore. What are you trying to do? Ow! Ow! I'll behave next time.
What?
Don't spank me. Oh!
You
Oh, no, I didn't escape. Yes. Uh-oh. I'm scared.
Hey, can I have a fishing rod?
I don't know where the fishing rods are.
What?
Can I have all your money?
You can have my money.
All of it?
Sure, yeah.
Maybe I'll be able to buy something. Oh, that's all you have?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not being able to buy anything. Could you just be a friend and, go harvest my crop? Wait, hold on. Yeah, could you be a friend and go harvest my crops for me? Just kidding. I think I got it.
Yeah, I got $27.
That ain't gonna help me at all. You're a brokey.
No, I'm not.
You won't even go to the
How come I
planting
have
fields.
$532.
How do you have 532?
What?
How do you
Wait,
have?
give me all your money, mate.
No, you give me all your money. I have more money.
Hold on, I'm getting some more eggs.
Oh, so you're stealing my eggs, huh? Why is there a dead chicken right here? Can I have your money so I can go buy some stuff for us?
No, I'm gonna buy some.
How much money do you have? Let me check Discord.
537.
Bring the tablet closer. I need to see.
I have 500.
How do you have that much money?
What?
How do you have that much money?
I don't know. Maybe because. Can you shut up and listen? That was my sister. Sorry.
I'll give you a shout out if you give me all your money.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, shout out to Ethan. I'm going to buy a shotgun to murder him now.
Oh no! I can't move because it blew up.
What? I can buy a what? I can only buy a shotgun. Oh, I can buy a can you go get me like $100 more? Could you guys sell some stuff and give me like $100 more?
Hold on. Can't move. Okay, not.
Bro, if this video gets enough views, I'll buy you a new tablet. And I'll buy you and I'll buy you a PC if this video gets enough views.
Please, give me a PC, please.
But that'll take like 3 million views to buy a PC.
I want a PC back.
Now go give me $100 or I'll spank you with my metal. With my metal hand. Look at my metal hand.
My sister's control.
Your sister's controlling it? Your sister's controlling it?
No, my sister. I controller.
What?
What? No, my sister. My sister's controller. I'm controlling it, but it's just like her controller sucked.
I'll buy you a new controller then. That's all I'll buy you. If this video gets enough views, I'll buy him a controller.
I pull a chicken for it, okay? I'm killing another youngest child.
That won't give me $100 though.
I gotta kill 500. Can I sell a chicken?
No, they have to be dead. I'm stuck! Let me out! Let me out! Wait a minute. Did I just?
Can you get have like eggs and stuff?
I just broke the corn dispenser. What?
Can you get some corn so that they can lay some eggs? Cause I got a lot of money.
How much money? Huh? How much money do you have?
Can you?
Do you have $100? Huh?
18.
What?
18. I need to let the chickens lay eggs, because that's how I got.
You know, you could just go collect the chicken, like 500 stacks of eggs over there. Not eggs, corn over there. When you break stuff, you plant them back, Ethan. Okay. Now go plant it back. What?
What? Oh, that brother's floating in the air out in his hands doing it all. Oh, that brother. Oh, that brother's floating in the air.
I'm gonna try to land on this tree. Going in for a landing. Brace your legs. Oh!
Oh God!
Ow!
Did you get hurt?
You think I didn't? Bro, plant them back once you break them. How much money do you have, by the way?
$31. I'm getting.
That's enough, I think. If you give me the money, I think that's enough. Because I just got some money. I think if you give me that money, I'll have enough. Let me just go sell these eggs. Then I think I'll have enough money. Drop me that $31, then I'll have enough money. I have $14.83. Drop me your money. Drop me your money. Look at my money. I just need a few more dollars. Just please give it to me. Okay, I can go buy us a new farm.
Now, are you gonna buy a shotgun?
No, I'm going to buy a new farm. Buying a new farm.
That brother's floating.
Oh, this is the same farm we were at. Oh, I bought a teleporter. Bro, I got so much money. Plant the corn back. You broke them. Plant it all back. Now.
Hold on, I'm gonna get some more money.
I got. That didn't even cost money. I got that for free.
What?
That the corn farm. I can go
What
to the
if-
farmer's market.
You remember when you literally floated into the sky?
When I floated
Wait,
into
how-
the sky. I don't even know how I did that.
Oh, that brother's floating in the air.
I'm trying to get a table. I keep reloading,
I just
trying
got-
to. I got a bathtub. I'm gonna buy a bathtub. For
some chicken.
how much? Ooh, I almost just made my joke. What? I'm buying a shotgun. Now I can force you to work without even paying you money. Did you just kill a chicken?
No.
I just got a screen saying someone killed a chicken. Ethan.
Wait, somebody said that?
I bought a toilet. Now I'm buying a blue rig. Oh, that costs $25,000. Are you buying you a truck?
No, I was trying to. I don't have it. I only have $94. The next farm costs 10,000 G. 10,000 coins.
The next farm? What do you
see
mean
what
the
I
next
got?
farm? How
Wanna
much
see what I
money do you
got?
have?
$94.
Now that you got that, I'm going to buy a shotgun if you don't go harvest my corn and give it to me for free. Okay, I'm going to buy it. Are you killing my chickens?
Are you gonna have now?
No, that auto harvest the corn. If you just run into the corn, it'll auto harvest. I'm buying more silos.
Yo, I'm practicing on some. Yo, hopefully you can buy me. Hopefully you can buy me a piece. Yeah, I need them to lay eggs so I can get more money.
I'm gonna.
Yo, how much money do you have?
I have 163.
How much money do you have?
$163.
Can you give
What?
me some?
Why?
Can you give me some?
If you have a good answer, I will. Why?
I want to have more money so I can, they could combine it, then I can give you all of it.
Just drop me your money.
Hold on, I'm gonna get some more money.
I'm stuck.
I love Shout. I love your YouTube video.
What?
I haven't seen. Wait, what's your YouTube channel?
The
What's
Amazing
your YouTube
Noah.
channel? What?
The Amazing Noah. Can you bring my truck over here so I can get in it and get unstuck? Like, I would easily in real life. Oh, I got unstuck. Plant the crops back. If you.
Why should I?
Because you picked them up. The least you can do is plant them back.
Bye, Noah.
What do you mean by?
I'm just kidding.
You made me check Discord. I was like, what does he mean by?
Give me some eggs. I need some eggs. Did I get muted?
What?
Did I get muted?
What?
Never mind. I didn't. You know how I got this?
How?
I'm gonna give you my.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you my money. Now let me show you how I got that. Okay.
Can I upgrade my silo first?
Yeah.
Oh, you were just doing that the whole time?
No, come here, come here. You gotta have like 200.
Yeah, I know. I've had that for a long time. But my Rivers, my other friend, he was playing with me. I gave it to him because he was on corn duty and he had to go before he gave it back. So once he joins back, I'll have give me all your corn, please. Thank you. Now I can go put it in my silo.
Yeah.
I can play for a little bit longer.
Wait, you couldn't? You had to go in a minute?
Oh,
Why?
yeah. I can just play it for like a little bit longer, then I'll have to go. But
Well,
where
but
do you have to go?
whenever we're done, we can start another. We can do another voice thingy.
Where do you have to go?
We're eating. Not somewhere else, but we're
At house? At your house?
We made a cake. And yeah.
Oh, so you're eating dinner?
Oh, upstairs.
Hmm?
Give me up. But we can start. I'll text you whenever I'm finished.
Or I can just bring my food in here and just eat it while.
Just try to bring your food in here.
What?
Try to bring your food in your room.
Okay, this is not my room. This is my sister's.
Well, your sister's room.
Yeah,
What does your room look like?
My room is my brother's room because he left to go to the army. He's in
What's your brother's name?
What?
What's your brother's name?
Avery.
Avery. Have you told me about him yet? Or just now? Can I have all your corn to put in the silo?
Huh?
I want to fill up the silo all the way, then I'll give you the rest of the corn. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
I'll give you the rest of the corn I have left, if I have left. Mine. Was that all?
What?
Was that all the corn you had? I still need a lot of corn.
This is how much. This is my corn.
Okay. I think I'll have some left after this. Yeah, I have 3 left. Just gonna grab the truck. You wanna come with me?
What? Where?
Actually, this one's gonna be my own journey. Okay? Just work on the crops while I'm gone.
Can you buy me a fishing rod?
How much does it cost?
But can you give me a fishing rod?
How much does it cost?
I don't know.
Well, if you go find where you buy it, I'll buy you one if I have enough money.
Because it says catch fish at the first.
Yeah, me too. For me too. I don't know where to buy them at though. Oh, I think I know where you gotta buy them. Let me just finish all the drop-offs.
Yo, try and get a little golden fish thingy. You can get a little machine gun.
Yeah.
Bump me and I'll fly.
Oh, I have so much money. Oh, you want to get in? Too bad. I'm going to ride on the beach. Are you chasing me? No, you don't chase me, okay? Please do not chase me.
Yo, when's your video gonna be?
I'll end it right now. I've already got past $1,000. So guys, I hope you liked it. I will see you again next video. Peace.
Peace.